Student Aircraft Builders is a student-run organization at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. At our core, we are students and we're building full-scale kit airplanes.
Before, we had a consistent method of getting from campus to the hangar for build sessions. We were about one build session a week. Since using ZipCar, we've been able to increase that to 3 or 4 sessions at the hangar building the airplane per week, which is an almost 300% increase in hours spent building the plane.
We do the majority of our work at the airport off campus in Savoy, Illinois. It's about a 20-minute drive off campus, and so there's definitely a transportation void in our club in terms of getting things done and making sure that the students get from on campus to the airport off campus. ZipCar has been a great resource for us in the past. We hope to continue working with ZipCar in the future to help us reach our goals as a club and finish our airplane while educating students on campus and the community surrounding us as well. Thanks.